So this is what they call their compact sets. And it's got the 2 cars, but a full length bullet train like this normally has about 16 cars on it.
Yeah.
They're mega long. But most people don't have a layout that big, right?
No.
And with these, because they're so pointy, the drive unit is actually not in here. The drive unit's in one of these.
Ah.
So I was going to stick it on my little checky thing and show everyone what it's like.
Is it going to go like 200 Ks?
I'll try not to because it'll fly off the end, right?
Yeah.
And we're not going to do any jumping until tomorrow. All right. So stick this little sucker. I'll stick him over here. But he's not going to drive, so we're going to need all the other bits too.
I was going to say, the drive unit's in here.
All right. So that's it there.
Yeah, that's way heavier.
Is that heavier?
Yeah, way heavier.
Hook that up. And then...
Like you better look, because I can't see it.
You can't see?
Oh, hang on. Your eyes are as bad as mine.
Well, I just try to work out the fuzz.
Huh.
Is that on? That's probably on now. So I'm going to... How's that coupling work? I can't remember.
Yeah.
Get that joined together. Maybe not. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
All right, so that's coupled now. Let's see if we can get that to move. I've got a feeling our track's a bit dirty. Is that on? There we go.
Oh!
There we go.
I want one of these now.
Do you?
Yeah.
How good is it? And these are so incredibly smooth. KATO always makes really smooth stuff. And you can imagine how...
Are they actually made in Japan?
I'm pretty sure they are.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they are. And even slow speeds, because that's the real test of a train. If you can run at slow speeds, you said it's got lights too.
Yeah.
You can run at slow speeds and it's really good.
Oh, it's so quiet and smooth.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
It looks great too.
Yeah.
There you go.
This is even better than the train at the pancake parlour.
Oh, is it? It's pretty funky, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, there's a large degree of funk here.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
All right, there you go. So there it is. This is the N700S made by Hitachi. This is on the Sankyo line in Japan, which is between... Actually, I might go further. I might go to Kyoto. So from Tokyo...
Well, because it takes them that long to stop.
Maybe. But I mean, the biggest cities are Tokyo and Osaka.
Mm.
So it's always people are traveling between there for work and then also tourists as well.
Yep.
And then you'll be able to see all those other towns there as well. Let's see if anyone gets the actual final weight of this. I think Anthony was the closest. He wasn't quite there though. Tokaido Shinkansen, made by Hitachi. And this is onto it.
Yeah, we just said that. Though.
29 grams. No, that's too light. Oh, look at that. Hoss RC's got it.
Yep.
32 grams it is.
I wasn't here when you measured it.
No, that's right. But it is 32 grams.
All right.
So there you go. Hope you all enjoyed that. Let's give this another run. Look at it. Fast.
Oh.
And they're really easy to use because they're just DC.
Yeah.
So anyone can just use a standard DC controller like this or any of the KATO controllers.
Yep.
And you just, off you go.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Well, what we need is a crap load of track and we can set it up around Velodrome.
Oh, yes. We could.
Yeah.
We could.
You would need a lot of track.
You would.
Yeah.
For sure. Wait, how many meters do you reckon that is?
Oh, I've forgotten. It's Olympic standard and I forgot what that is.
Oh, okay. Well, are we thinking about doing it, are we? No, I don't think so.
I am now. I was,
right.
but I'm not sure we've got enough track in the shot.
All right, there you go.
There you go.
Well, before we go, let's have a closer look at this. Let's show everyone what it's like from the top camera.
Oh. Put this bit back in.
There we go. That is right here.
There it says N700.
N700S.
N700 Supreme.
Supreme. And I learned just recently that these front seats here and the second car are actually non-reserved. And non-reserved seats are actually cheaper.
Yeah.
And as long as it's not at peak hour, then you buy the cheapest tickets and you just sit near. But if you get on a reserved seat, then you're guaranteed a particular seat, a bit like on a plane.
Okay.
And then here's a little driver's compartment.
That was cool.
Isn't it? You got the working headlights. Look how streamlined they are.
Yeah, I'd love to know the drag coefficient. It'd be
really nice.
Anything.
And hence you can see they're numbered. So that's a number 1 car, and then number 2, and so on.
Oh, these are a great thing,
aren't they? There you go. You need to go and ride on one. They're awesome to ride on.
I haven't been to Japan yet.
Oh, you should go. Should go.
Yeah, but it's such a long way.
It's not that far, really. You're only sitting down for like 12 hours.
Yeah, that's true. I've been to China a few times, so it shouldn't be a big deal.
There you go. All right, there we go. That is Train of the Week.
Train of the Week. I'm glad we did that because I was wondering, because I thought you guys haven't got a car.
No car at all. No,
what have you done? Okay, well, you've done
That's right.
Train of the
Week. 60th anniversary of the Shinkansen.
Yeah, that's enough reason to have a Train of the Week.
That's right.